In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Last month, I made $7,450 in commission just by using this method promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn these commissions. So if you are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest, make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. If you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. This is my Amazon affiliate account, as you can see, and it's not screenshots guys, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and I will share with you all my methods. Okay, so let's get started. So first, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate like this. Click on the first link over here like this, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up and you will be again to this page. Scroll down and click over here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you have to do is you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is promotion tools, reports, your commissions here, summary, bounties, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good product that you need to promote on Pinterest to earn commission. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work or people will like it. It doesn't work like this. Okay, you need to choose product that people already are searching for. So how we can promote those products and choose good product that can help you to earn commissions. Okay, what you will do next, you will go to your Pinterest account. So you should already have a Pinterest account. If you don't have, just go to Google and search for, let me show you, search for Pinterest like this. It's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. Just click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, they will ask you if you want to create business account or personal account. You need to choose Pinterest business account, and here you go. This will be your home page. And why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys don't know the potential of Pinterest. If you do it correctly, you guys can make a lot of money with Amazon affiliate marketing business using Pinterest, just by using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. Anyway, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search again for Pinterest trend. Search for this website. Okay, search for Pinterest trend. Click on this, on the first link over here, and you will be directly in this page. So we will use this website, this Pinterest trend, to see what's trending on Pinterest, what people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so we can use those products and promote those products that people already are searching for to earn commissions. Okay, just open your Pinterest trend account like this, and here you can choose which country you want to target. If you want to target United States country, you can choose this one. You have Canada, you have Italy, you have Spain, and so much more. Okay, I will choose United States and I will scroll down. So I will scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see this is top trends in United States this month. Those are the products that are trending in Pinterest this month in United States. We have this one, nails. We have this one, night beauty, product about beauty. We have home bedroom refresh. We can scroll down. If you scroll down, let me show you. You have here discover trends in United States. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of keywords that are trending, that people are searching for in this month in United States. Okay, we have this one, fall nails. Guys, you guys can see the graph of this keyword. It's going up, it's just keep going up. So I will click on this keyword. So let's choose this keyword, for example, to show you guys how we can do it. Just click on the keyword and you will be directly in this page over here in Pinterest trend. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here like this. You guys can scroll down. We have this keyword. So first click over here on date and choose past 3 months like this, so we can see. And as you can see guys, so the graph of this keyword is just keep going up. You guys can see, so this one is trending, which is really good. So what you will do, you will copy this keyword file nails, and you will go to Google and search for Amazon. You need to go to and open your Amazon account, so we can search for this product on Amazon. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to go to your Amazon account. So go and open your Amazon account like this, and click over here on the search and search for this product. Search for this one that it's trending on Pinterest this month in United States. Search for this one, and I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this product. What you need to do is you need to choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. Those are trending now, like this one. I think this one is good. We have, let's scroll down to see if we can find more. And we have this one is good. You guys can see this one is good, so we need to choose good product. So let's see if we can find good ones here. Okay, like this one. So for example, I will choose this one. So just click on this product, just click on this product name, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Okay, you guys can see this is the product that we choose. It's already trending on Pinterest, which is really good, so we can earn commissions. So for example, okay, so what you will do next is you will go back to your Pinterest account, like this, and click over here on Pinterest and click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page like this. What you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon product page, to this one, and click on this picture and upload this picture to your laptop. So double click and click over here on save image, and click on save, and that's it. It's easy. So go back to your Pinterest account, click over here, and upload this picture about this product to your Pinterest account. This one about this products. So, okay, let me see. Let's click again on upload. I will go to downloads, and here you go. This is my picture, my product picture. I will click on open, and here you go. You just need to put title and description and your affiliate link here. So go back to this Amazon product page and copy this title. I will copy this one. You are just an affiliate marketer with Amazon, so you guys can use this the title and description. It's all fine. Description, go back to this product page, scroll down. You should see here about this item. This is your product description. I will copy this part like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to this Amazon product page. So you should already have your Amazon affiliate account, so you guys can see this bar over here. Okay, Amazon Associate Site Stripe. So you should already have an Amazon affiliate account, and if you already have, you just need to click over here on text, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. So you just need to copy this affiliate link like this and go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here and scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So I will choose this one, Amazon. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords, tags, okay? So what you will do, you will go back to your Pinterest trend account and copy this keyword, this one, fall nails, and I will go back and I will put this keyword here. I will go back to this Pinterest trend account. I will scroll down. You should see here related trends. Copy those keywords, all those keywords, okay? You have here September nails, we have trendy nails, fall season nails, and so much more. Copy all those keywords and put those keywords here, and that's it. And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go, you just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy and simple, and you guys can see your pin about nails might be relevant to those growing trends. It's already trending, it's already growing, it started growing, which is really good. That's why you should start promoting those products that are trending, so your chance to get commission will be high. If you promote more, you can increase your commissions and increase your money with Amazon affiliate marketing business. This will be your picture, this will be your Amazon affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description, and that's it. Use Pinterest trend, see which products are trending, what people are searching for. Go to Amazon, search for those products that are trending, start promoting those products on Pinterest. That's how you can make commissions like this. That's how you can start getting commissions like this every single month. This is my methods that I'm using, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.